How's it going, everyone? Wanted to go ahead and do our week 12 check-in, which I opened. Be sure to complete week 11 work, of course, before that. I know you had some review questions that are due, so be sure to finish those. Some people haven't. But week 12, we're running into week 12, which will be great. It's about HIPAA, H-I-P-A-A, right? So take a look at the video. Be sure to answer the review questions, which I think are really interesting. Although I know HIPAA can be a little bit complicated, you get used to it over time. So I look forward to seeing how you do in Chapter 10. If you have any questions, of course, you can let me know, but I think people are doing really great so far, and I appreciate the hard work and effort you've put into this course. Also, I want to say thank you again for your excellent work with the APA assignment. I look forward, of course, to seeing your Exam 2 come up, which I will issue a study guide here pretty soon in the final exam. It'll actually be one study guide to encompass both, so be on the lookout for that this week at some point. Hope you're doing well. If you need anything, please let me know, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.